So this is Dr Busa Racing number 1 first A cross Udamanagar Bangalore 27. This is actually next to near Lalbagh Road, BMTC depot on Nala Road. So if you come there, you will find this place. So Mr. Hafeez is actually running this Busa service center, Hafeezullah Khan. So you can see his Facebook, WhatsApp number and Insta ID. So you can zoom it, you will be able to see this. So see the store here. So I have come here to get the accessories fixed and then do the PPF. So PPF is going on. I'll just show you inside the garage how it looks like. So this is my bike and they have stripped it now to get the PPF done. These are the staff workers who are doing the PPF. This one R1 Yamaha R1, they are doing the PPF work and all that. You can see the bike is stripped to get the PPF done, and it will take a day's time to do that, and then get the accessories fixed. It will take another day, so most probably tomorrow. I got the bike unboxed on 8th June 2024. And 9th I got the delivery. I left the bike here yesterday, that is 11th, and today it's 12th. The work is going on. So tomorrow 13th I think I should get the bike delivered with all the accessories fitted and the PPF done. So now this is like a bare naked bike wherein the fairings have been removed. So you can see the tank where the PPF is installed and it's let to dry. This is the side near the tank side, 20-liter tank. I'll show you the console has been removed. This is the front side. Sideways view. The front side of the bike. That they are doing the PPF for the cowl. So the mudguard is already done and kept aside, left to dry. On the other side, you can see some fairings have been completely removed. So this is the garage. These are all the trophies. This does drag racing, so you can see a lot of awards and trophies which he has accumulated over the years. There's a lot of trophies and awards lined up in his garage. You can see them all. The workstation. All the helmets are all aligned here. You see the bikes which have come for service here. There are Busas, R1, R3, first gen, second gen, third gen Busa. This is a blue color one. This is Shweta's bike, which she uses for drag racing. She's also got a YouTube channel. I think so. The fairings, the tanks, and all that tanks. they have dismantled and for service purpose they have removed it and kept key stand. So this is the place. Spare parts storage here. It's an R1 work going on. So this is my bike. Hayabusa 20th anniversary edition. The 7th bike delivered by Hayabusa. So this is the store inside the spare parts section. You can see it's opposite to Maveri 24 Mana Chettiar Sangam. It's a wedding hall on Nala Road. Outside also you can see bikes. Hayabusa second engine come for service. There's another Hayabusa here. I'll show you the board once again so that it is easy for you guys to come contact him directly. Contact Mr. Hafeez here. His number is displayed on the board. You can zoom it and he's got the knowledge of the bike in and out. From servicing to even engine work, everything he does. Compared to any service center, he is a very knowledgeable person, so you can depend. And his name Dr Busa is being conferred to him by all his loyal customers. So Hafeez is titled Dr Busa. So his store is also called the same. So I will ask him to just speak to us also, so that you can see him in person and then talk to him and get all your Busa related queries and service requirements and everything done by Hafeez here. Okay, so I'll just introduce you to Hafeez for a sec. He will just talk to you so that you can come and get all your bike related queries solved here. So this is
Hi sir.
This is Hafeez here. So he is been confirmed by the title Dr Busa by all his loyal customers, and he's been in this industry from how many years?
20 years sir. 22 years.
Almost 22 years of experience he's got, in and out knowledge of the bike. Any bike part you just take him and show him, he will tell for what it is, and the details about that, where it goes. So that kind of knowledge he's got. I think he's got the knowledge. He was in an earlier Suzuki service center. He had worked for so many years. Now he started his own. So any services related to your bikes, and that is even the genuine services, everything he does. Even he uploads it in the website and all that. So your warranty won't be affected in any way. So that's the promise he is given. So I just bought my bike new now. So my PPF work and all that, as I told, is going on. So he's promised me service, everything. So
everything will get it done, sir.
Yeah. So he's promised all that. So one-stop shop for all your Busa requirements. You can contact any super bike. In fact, I just showed you R1 service and PPF and all going on. So any super bikes in Bangalore, please contact him. He's a very genuine and reliable person, and cost-effective way he will do it. That's what my few friends in my riding groups have suggested, and I have come to him. And before even coming to him, I had seen him in many of the videos wherein people have very good opinion about him. So you can trust him and just blindly leave your bike here, and to have a peaceful and comfortable service experience. Do you like to say something?
Nothing, sir. Any super bike requirement, I can arrange it for them. Service, service, spares, gifts, anything.
Okay. That's the surety. surety what Hafeez is giving you.
Before I used to work for Suzuki, only Suzuki bikes. Now I'm doing all the bikes.
Yeah,
Anything.
that's the
can get
USP.
it
So
also.
you can come here, cost effectively, and he'll source parts, all genuine spare parts. He's able to source and do it for you faster than any other. Service centers also can delay. They can say it may take 30 days to 1 month or 2 months and all that. But he's got contacts, wherein
Can source anything.
he
whatever
can
part
source
he can
and
source.
then do it. That's what his USP is. And thank you guys for joining in. Thanks a lot. Many more videos will come. Please keep supporting. Thanks a lot.